This is an Ellis Mowers and More product review. Interested in buying this product? The link is in the description below. Have a product inquiry or a home, garden, or automotive product or tool to review? Email me, ellis@ellismowers.com, or reach out on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. And as always, like and subscribe for more product reviews and small engine content. On today's quick product review, we're going to look at this heat gun from Haisstronica. You can buy this by itself, or sometimes it comes as an add-on to their heat shrink kits, like this one did. I've got a golf cart here that I am working on wiring for making it street legal and putting lights and stuff on. I need to do a little bit of wire splicing. So I use some of their connectors, and we're going to show you how this heat gun here works. Very simple heat gun. It does have a little stand so that you can stand it up, and if you have wiring that you don't have hooked up to whatever and you want to work on it on the table, you can just stand it up and do that. You also have 2 speeds on it, high and low, so that you can shrink it. And then the way that this is, it's a very focused heat right here in the this little area, as opposed to general heat guns, which are a little bit wider swath. So we're going to test this out, show you how this works, and how well it works for your wiring needs or just general heat gun needs as well. Alright guys, so here we go. Like I said, I've got a bunch of connectors here that I need to put together, and so we'll turn this heat gun on, let it do what it needs to. Maybe I can do all 3 at once, right? Maybe I shouldn't. So there we go. We got the heat shrink happening here, and we're just going to continue this through the next few minutes here. We got 9 wires to do here. I believe 9 wires. So that's nice. We'll do this one next. And I can hold my hand this close and I can't feel any of the heat, so that's nice that it's very focused like that. So that you could do that right there. Let me get the 3rd wire here. Trying to get that one out of the way so I could do this one. I'm just going to go on and so forth until I get all 9 done with this heat gun, and you'll see what all that looks like with all of them done here next. Alright, so I'll show you all 9 of these ends that I had to do, or all 9 of these wires. You can see that right there. I'll give you all a close-up of these 3 after I do these right here. And I'm not a professional wiring person by any means, so don't judge my work, but I am just showing you how well this heat gun here works from Haisstronica. Nice little heat gun, essential for heat shrink wiring. That's everything on this Haisstronica heat gun. I do appreciate y'all watching. Again, if you're doing golf cart work, any sort of wiring work like I do on lawn equipment and stuff like that, it's necessary to have a heat gun. And this is a nice little compact heat gun that does the needs that it needs to for wiring or whatever purpose you may need one for. Thanks again for watching. I will catch y'all on the next product review.